Hey there, fellow entrepreneurs and aspiring digital moguls. Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the most exciting ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into the thrilling world of affiliate marketing, where you can earn big bucks by promoting products and services you love. Get ready to unlock your potential and embrace the power of affiliate marketing. I'm your host, and I can't wait to share this exhilarating journey with you. Let's jump right in. Imagine making money from the comfort of your own home, simply by recommending products and services to your audience. That's the magic of affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies like Amazon, the world's largest online marketplace, you can earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's like having your very own online business without the hassle of product creation or inventory management. Amazon is just one example of the countless affiliate programs available. It offers a vast range of products, from electronics and fashion to home decor and even groceries. Whatever your niche or passion, there's a product or service out there that's a perfect fit for you. Affiliate marketing is all about finding the right products or services to promote and connecting them with your audience. You can explore affiliate networks like Share a Sale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten, which host a multitude of affiliate programs from various industries. These networks make it easy to find affiliate partnerships that align with your interests and values. One of the biggest perks of affiliate marketing is its flexibility. You have the freedom to choose the products and brands you genuinely believe in and are excited to share with others. When you're passionate about what you promote, it becomes effortless to create engaging content and build trust with your audience. So, how can you effectively promote affiliate products? Well, it all starts with creating valuable and engaging content. Whether you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a strong social media presence, your platform becomes your marketing playground. Write in-depth reviews, produce captivating videos, or share personal experiences with the products you're promoting. The key is to provide genuine value and build a connection with your audience. When you're involved in affiliate marketing, transparency is crucial. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships to your audience, whether it's through disclaimers in your videos or clear statements on your website. Being upfront and honest about your affiliations helps establish trust and ensures that your audience understands the nature of your recommendations. Now, let's talk about the earning potential. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that there's no limit to how much you can earn. Your income grows as you build your audience, gain their trust, and refine your promotional strategies. Some affiliate marketers have turned this into a full-time income stream, while others use it as a profitable side hustle. The choice is yours. So, my fellow digital enthusiasts, are you ready to embark on this exciting journey of affiliate marketing? With the power of the internet and incredible affiliate programs like Amazon, you have the opportunity to earn money while doing what you love, promoting products you're passionate about. So, let's get started, unlock your potential, and pave the way to online success together.